Hi everyone, hello, this is Chen here and welcome to the product Quick Start Agencies. So this is a very unique product, and this product will show you that how to poke the local people to grow your agency. Thank you that you are watching my video, that you are giving your time. Firstly, I am giving you the thank you. So let me show you the product. And this product is a totally info based product, like information based product, but this is a very detailed product. That's why I have not covered all of the videos. Like there are so many videos and it needs so many hours, like more than 3-4 hours to just go through the all of the course inside the front end product given. So this page can get you the product with my best bonuses, and I want you to visit this page to get my bonuses. Like you can click on this button and get the product with my bonuses. So let me show you the product. So this is the dashboard. Basically this is the dashboard, and inside my courses real stuffs are given, the useful stuffs are given. Like if you are just struggling to get to grow your agency, to run your agency, to run your shop, or to get you are not getting the local people, you need to change. And that is the thing, that is the real thing. And that really when I'm saying it, I really means it, because the corona just make a role play of positive catalyst. I think like the corona made our future in our businesses in a future way. Like it just makes a role of positive catalyst. My English is not good, that is why I am just stucking. Okay, so the thing is, the stuffs are given inside the main course, inside the main section. Like 7 topics are given inside the. Let me show you the topics also. Inside the client weekend workshop, there are 7 topics. If I am not wrong, I have mentioned here 5 topics, but there will be 6 topics, but there will be one more topic, that is the chat close. I have mentioned that, so watch the first. So maybe that is the overview, that's why I have not mentioned it here. So that is the thing. And there are so many courses, like 4 topics, 3 topics, 5 topics. Each topics are very detailed. I am telling you, each topics are very detailed. And this guy who launched this product, he is a very reputed good and very reputed promoter or an affiliate marketer and a just tool provider or course provider. Okay, so inside this pack you will be given a software also about your local business and the courses. Let me show you from the dashboard one time. Okay, so it is redirecting me to the product dashboard now. So inside dashboard you can see the my profile settings, my friends and badges and labels and tools we recommend and book recommendations. So this book recommendations is a software, and that is the thing. That was the product, like a detailed course you have like the sales have to come, and there is a challenge for you. Your client will become inside 1 week, and that is the challenge you need to do. If you want to take the challenge, you can take the challenge. Like this product is also named as in a whole quick start agency client in a weekend, and that is the thing, you can get your client in a weekend if you just take this course and implement it. Okay, so you need to put your own effort to make your client to just do it in a new way, in a pandemic way. You can pandemic style also, you can say it in a pandemic style. So that is the thing. And there are some courses given, like the bonus types courses given, and their previous products. Okay, so there is nothing much to show you. I have showed you almost everything, so you can click on this button I have told you. So these are the topics, and this is the product price, $27. And I don't think that anyone can help you more than this course inside $27. If you really get a good agent, get a good agent, then you can earn more than that, very much more than that, very much more than $27. So you can easily spend on this, and you can get so many agents inside your business and grow your business. So that is the thing. You can mainly, this product is focused on local business and also the online business. So that is the thing. You can do the stuffs, do your stuffs inside offline section for your local business, and also inside online section for your local business. And let me show you now the bonuses. The bonuses are very simple. Like whatever you are watching inside this page, all of the stuffs will be given to you totally free from this page. You need to purchase this product from this page, and that is the thing. So inside front-end product you will be given 50 bonus, and apart from the front-end product, if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the upsell bonus. That is an addition of an addition with the front-end bonus. Like apart from this 50, you will be given 350 plus tabs, like software, like plugin, like high quality graphics. That is the thing. And there is a vendor bonus also. I have showed you the vendor bonus, and I have told you about this guy. This is a very genuine guy. So that is the thing. You can click on this button to get the product, and then don't forget to click on access affiliate bonus button to check out the bonuses. So I am signing out for this video, and I hope you will grow your agency, and that should be your commitment. I am signing out for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.